Right now, we're seeing a significant spike in health sentiment, with a sentiment score of plus 0.17 and a momentum of plus 0.97 over the past 24 hours. This is unusual when you compare it to historical trends. Typically, sentiment fluctuates around the baseline, but today's upward shift suggests an emerging optimism in health discussions. When you query our API, you'll receive detailed insights that include sentiment scores, momentum data, and semantic clusters that capture the nuances of the conversation. Imagine using this data to enhance your health application, tailoring content or features based on the latest sentiment trends. For example, if you're developing a wellness app, you can push notifications to users based on rising positive sentiment around fitness topics. To dive deeper, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Your next development breakthrough is just a call away.